Check out this 2011 Honda Civic Si. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include steering wheel-mounted cruise control, outboard latch child safety seat anchors, 350-watt 7-speaker sound system, power door locks with auto-lock, power exterior mirrors, fuel and coolant temperature indicators, and 4-wheel disc brakes. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.